Hello everyone, my name is Dennis, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install WordPress directly from your CPanel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are logged into the CPanel area. Okay, so once you are there, this is Nigeria Post CPanel. Once you are here, just click on WordPress Manager by Software Curious. Okay, and it will bring you to this page where you see install, scan, remote imports, and manage sites. Okay, so from here you just click on install. You scroll down, you have multiple protocols. Here HTTPS is selected by default. Okay, so you can change that. Okay, so if you have more than one domain on your hosting plan, okay, so you can choose them here. If you have more than one domain added in your CPanel as an add-on domain. Okay, so in directory, normally you are supposed to install it on your main domain. Okay, but then since this is for a testing purpose, for a demo purpose, I'm going to install it in a subdirectory. Okay, so it will be, my directory will be webhostingtutorial.xyz/tests. Okay, you can choose a WordPress version here, so but I'll leave it at default. WordPress 6.0 is the latest version as of the time I'm recording this video. Okay, so as here for site name, you can select a name for your website. Okay, so here I'll say web hosting tutorials. For description, you can select to choose a different description for your website. Okay, so admin username, here make sure you select make sure you choose a very strong username and password. By default, Nigeria Post already pre-insert this strong username and how to guess password that I can just copy to my notepad and keep it somewhere safe. Okay, so here I'm going to be using, since this is a demo website, I'm going to be using admin and pass, but never use admin and pass on a production website. Okay, because it's easy to guess, or using things like your email or things like that. Okay, so here admin email, I'll insert my email here, heartbase@gmail.com. You come down here where you see email installation details too. You can insert your email here, so that by the time this installation is done, it will send you a copy of your details to the email, so that you keep it somewhere safe. Okay, in case you actually forget. Okay, now let's say I forget this admin email, make sure that is a active email and is an is an email account that only you have access to it. Okay, so because if anything ever happens and you get locked out of your WordPress dashboard, it is your email that you use to reset your password. Okay, so always remember that. Once you're done, come down here and click install and wait for the installation to complete. Normally it takes less than a minute to complete the whole installation of WordPress. Okay, so as you can see, my WordPress website installation is complete. To view the website, just click on the link here, webhostingtutorial.xyz/test. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the website already. Okay, so this is the default WordPress theme and stuff. Here you want to view to log into your WordPress dashboard, just visit your main website URL /login. Okay, it's a default login page. Okay, so here to login, I'll just put admin and my password is pass. You just insert whatever password you choose during the installation process. Okay, so here as you can see, I'm in my WordPress dashboard right now. Okay, so this is how it all looks like. In my next video, I'll be explaining how the whole WordPress dashboard looks like, the functionalities and everything you need to know, how to create your posts, how to manage pages, how to delete, edit, or add new plugins and themes. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on my next video.